So at night, it's a little dark right now, so you just hit anything, you guys can see it lights up. So you're able to put your code, open it up, very simple, it locks in automatically, locks. Today we're going to bring a smart door lock. This one has two ways of entering. One by passcode, all right? You're going to enter a passcode, and if you guys can see, it has a passcode in here. 1 through all the 0 units, all right? So it's very simple. If you forget the passcode or anything, they also give you an option of keys. All right, and then you have a pass-through entry. So if you're having a party, you don't want this to automatically lock, there's a feature that you go actually do a pass-through. So they do come in different colors, and it's going to require batteries. All right, it's going to require 4 AAA batteries. If you guys can see the back, everything's pretty much almost assembled. All you got to do is make sure you have one proper entry. If you don't, instructions show you how, and it comes also with a template here for a cutout. All right, so we're going to set this up and see how it looks. All right, one of the most important things that when you're installing this, just make sure this plate is well secure, and then leave these two open for the other one, but make sure you add the third screw in there. That's very important for you that are going to set up the lock. All right, this is to secure the stuff. All right, so we got it set up already. All right, and you can't open it, and you try different passwords, it won't let you in. It keeps saying fail. It won't let you in at all. So the only way is from the inside. All right, that's the only proper way you can do it. We'll close it, and then we're going to try the passcode now. Now the passcode is very simple, right? Right now, as a test, we're going to do the 1 2 3 4. So we do 1 2 3 4 pound, and it opened up, and we're able to open it. All right, that's another way to do it. Locks in, you can't do it no more, it locked in completely. All right, second way of entering, always if your batteries run out, or you lock yourself out, or you forgot your passcode, you can always enter with the key. All right, so keyless entry, nothing, go the other way, there you go. This one's very important. So if you're having a party or something that people need to come in and out, and you don't have to set up the code, you could do a pass-through. So we're gonna put our default password right now. 1 2 no, you have to light it up. You have to wait until it lights up. So you have to do 1 2 3 4 pound, wait for that number, hit the number 6 and pound, and now we have the pass-through.